Hi guys, this vlog starts on a Saturday night, so this was me just making my dinner. I'm doing a voiceover because I didn't want to use music. So yeah, I made rice and beef, the typical mchere njeri Kenyan delicacy. Yeah, that is what I made for dinner and had for breakfast. So basically that is me just frying my onions and yeah, doing everything else is just self-explanatory. I'm not going to talk about that. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Subscribe. Why are you not subscribed and you're watching my content? Subscribe, man. It will not cost you anything and it will just take you a second to do that. And like this video and leave me a sweet comment. I'm really going to appreciate. So yeah.
Courage to help you that your children are missing after they don't only listen to what you tell them.
Yeah, I'm super busy too. Classes.
What are you taking? We're all in busy California if you live.
Oh, I wanted to take those classes, but they just sounded too easy for me. So I'm in school. Think you're gonna have a good day today, David?
Suck on that, Davy's mom. Davy's dreams were about to come true. Ben all but confirmed that she was totally getting
Deferred?
deferred. How can those jackoffs defer you? And if you got deferred,
Then who the hell got in?
I used to be the type of girl that would take on this nicotine. Caramel flake, caramel flake.
Okay, this is not so bad. Getting deferred is not.
Hi guys, how is everyone doing? I hope that everyone is doing okay. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, thank you for clicking this video. I really appreciate it. My name is Jay Kinyo. I do this kind of content. So guys, today's on Sunday. I wanted to do like a spend a day with me vlog today, but I'm not really sure that I'm even going to get through with it. But here I am actually doing the intro, so I might as well just go through with it because yesterday I forgot to recharge my tokens. Let me give you a mini story. I actually had bought my tokens like 2 days ago, but ilikuwa jioni nikibai and I was in bed, so nikasema si kuna stima sahi, so nitaeka tu, like nitaeka because nilikuwa najua ziko karibu kuisha. Then who is me? I forgot to recharge the token, and jana usiku sitibeka nikatikia. And now I've not really been trying because my token ile kakichukua iko kwa machine ka token, the one that is where I live ni ile yenye haiwezi toka hapo. So I can't even go to my neighbor to recharge it for me so that I input my token. So here I am. Sina stima. My other phone is, I don't know kama imezima, but iko actually ishazima, and this is like my personal phone. So when I need to communicate, when someone needs to call me, they're supposed to reach me via this. So niko mteja. Hey, it's been kitambo since I was mteja. But today I am mteja, so I'm not sure that I'm going to be like as motivated to do the vlog. But I might as well just cheer myself and do the vlog. Though I've been told the electrician will be here at noon because he goes to church. So hopefully when he comes, he'll be able to fix it. And yeah. So this is me introducing this video. I want to warm up food and make some tea. Ni have as breakfast. Then I'm going to do laundry. But I'm going to just take you through my day, what I'm going to do. I cross my fingers, guys. I'm going to do this vlog because I want to be consistent on this YouTube thing. I really want to be consistent, so I cross my fingers. Let me have my breakfast, then maybe I'm going to show you when I'm starting to do my laundry. And yeah, so you guys, kindly subscribe if you are here and you are not subscribed to my channel. Kindly do subscribe. It's it's not going to cost you anything. Get me to 700 subscribers, or even 1K. I mean, we're just like 310 subscribers away. Get me there, guys. I know you can, so subscribe. Okay? Cheers. Cheers. This is my breakfast, my tea, and my food. But then I do this when I have leftover food in the house. I don't bother, making like breakfast. I just have this as breakfast. Then baadaye tutajua ni aje. So let me have my breakfast, then see guys what we are going to do next today. So guys, this is me doing laundry. My laundry basket is empty. Everything that is left in there is here kuosha. I'm supposed to wash this mat today. So I usually do my laundry from my bathroom because it's big enough. Yeah, but today I don't have lights as I've said earlier in the video, so I'm doing my laundry from outside. These are the shoes I'm supposed to clean. These are the clothes zenye bado sijasok. Then let me show you guys where I'm doing my laundry from. Here. This is where I'm doing my laundry from. It's some sort of like a balcony that's next to my door. So this is where I have enough lighting. So this is where I'm doing my laundry from. Here. So these are the clothes I already have soaked. Then 2 waters za rinse. I have some already nishafa. These I had soaked, the white clothes. But yeah, that's it. That's it. Let me do my cleaning. Damn, I really have a lot to do today. And guys, I am not sure whether this vlog is going to be complete because this phone ikaribu kuisha moto pia, and as I've told you hakuna lights kwangu na ile ingine pia ilishazima. So if at all it azima before I finish vlogging like the entire day, you guys are going to bear with me. But I'm hoping the what was it? The electrician will be here soon enough. So that's it. Let me do my laundry. I'm going to see you guys later.
Into which a sinful and unrepentant person passes after death. It is complete and utter ruin. So he was the son of complete and utter ruin.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah. So now she explained to me that she was there during the days of Elijah.
So guys, I am back. I told you guys I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to do this vlog because I didn't have electricity, but finally my token stuff has been fixed and my electricity is back. But I've already done quite of the things I wanted to vlog about, because the thing is the phone went off. Both of my phones went off, so I couldn't film most of the things that I wanted to vlog about today. But since the light is back, we continue from where we left. So let me first of all position you guys there. Yeah, right there. So what I'm doing right now, this is dengu. I usually boil my own cereals. Sipendi za kununua zenye zimeboiliwa. So I usually boil mine. So this is dengu, and this is what I want to do. I want to sort them and boil them because this is what I've been making for dinner. Yeah. So that's what's up. That is what's up. I'm fresh. I just took a shower because I've done work leo. Lost nimefanya kazi manze. Today I have worked my people. Nimejituma venye nafaa, but nijusikuwa na stima, so singefanya anything, simu zilizima. So I just had to work. So I've done like thorough general cleaning. The house is super clean right now. So side chagwe dengu. This is it. We sort this and boil it to have
And like when we post TikTok, that's how we were before. Unaona familia yenye mzazi, unaona kichwa ya nyumba ni baba. But sasa kwetu baba
have symbols that declare openly who they are and what they stand for. So I believe symbols is what is coming next.
So, every time people come to me and say, it's not your responsibility to build your parents' house. Whose responsibility? lactate, you understand, how, especially what fast foods go through. But if you feel it in your heart to give, don't tell anyone stop you. Who are going to stop you in the first place? Yeah, so you continue to give. Yes, I want to invite Dana. I've heard you calling him Dana. It's good to meet you. Ya kufupisha jina sasa. I want
The one that I love for, I pray. You make me feel like I'm the queen. Yeah.
you are the
Yeah, you are the queen. In particular, there's two gentlemen, Uncle Justice and Uncle Ben, who have been integral in both interpreting, my conversations to Mama and Papa from English to Ita. So I'm trying my best to learn as much as I can, but they've really bridged that gap. And so we had, many a conversation about, because obviously they wanted to find out about me, they wanted to get to know me, and I believe from the beginning they knew my intentions were genuine. I think they could tell. Just, that I truly loved their daughter, and I truly loved, their niece, and that I was always going to care for her and protect her and take that precious heart of hers, and always bring, joy, happiness, peace, well-being to Helen, and that's forever. They knew that I was just looking for that one lady, and that's something that I was brought up to do. Like, my father taught me how to be a gentleman and just search for that one special lady forever, that one wife. And I had to be patient, and even while a lot of my relatives, my cousins and friends were getting married and having children and I wasn't, I wanted to wait, really.
Guys, I'm trying this off water because I don't have a refrigerator. So I just have this leftover dingoes to dry up so that they don't spoil. So that is what I'm doing. This is my food that is ready, and that is the food I've served to it. But I want to be done with this before I go.
I got to the point where I thought, I'll give it one more try to go on my day. And Helen happened to be thinking, she happened to be there. And for me, it didn't matter where the person was from. Like, I was in Australia, it didn't matter the message. I was immediately